Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to attend this demonstration on meaningful use, how to achieve the core and menu measures. This video demonstration will cover core measure number 6, maintain an active medication allergy list. Let's get started. First, let's open up the PDF from the MTBC website explaining in detail the medication allergy list core requirement. This is the eligible professional meaningful use core measure number 6 out of 15, maintain an active medication allergy list. And the measure is more than 80% of all unique patients seen by the eligible professional have at least one entry recorded as structured data, or an indication that the patient has no known medication allergies. So this again is for 80%, as we saw in the last measure for the medication list. 80% have to have at least one entry or an indication that no known medication allergies exist, and there are no exclusions. The definitions here are fairly straightforward. The attestation requirements for this measure are similar to the previous measure, where there are numerator and denominator requirements. The denominator being the total number of unique patients seen during your 90-day reporting period, and the numerator being the total number of patients seen where an allergy, at least one entry of an allergy, is recorded as structured data, or an indication that the patient has no known allergy. And again, that resulting percentage must be more than 80% in order to meet this measure. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this measure is met through the MTBC EMR. You can find any patient you're looking for directly from the patient search. Simply double-click on the results to open up that patient's demographic form. Then click on the Charts tab to go into the clinical encounter for that patient. Once you have a clinical chart open for that patient, you'll be first presented with the reason for visit, vital signs, and allergies window. Here, entering an allergy is fairly quick and easy. You'll first notice perhaps that the option for no known allergies is already selected. If this is the case for this patient that there are no known allergies, then you can simply leave this option marked for this patient to document that there are no known allergies for John Smith. And that will suffice for meaningful use. However, if the patient does have an allergy, simply double-click into the allergy table and open up the allergy window. Here, you can search for any allergy simply by typing the name of the allergy. Once we've typed out a few characters for that allergy, the results will automatically populate. And here we can see the different types of allergies for penicillin. A patient may be allergic to penicillamine, penicillin G, or penicillins as a specific allergen group. If we were to document that the patient was allergic to penicillamine, the first result on our list, that would be a very specific allergy only to penicillamine. Whereas if we had selected a specific allergen group allergy of penicillins, that allergy will cover all of the preceding allergies for penicillin. And any ingredient that includes penicillin will also provide a drug to allergy warning. The same would apply if we documented that the patient is allergic to wheat. If we were to say that the patient is allergic to wheat bran, that will not provide a drug to allergy warning for any medication that includes wheat starch. However, if we were to say that the patient is allergic to wheat-containing products as a specific allergen group, then that will document an allergy warning against anything containing wheat. Likewise, there are also allergies for specific medications. If we say that the patient is allergic to amoxil, that would be a medication name ID, and you may document that the patient is allergic to specific medications. In this scenario, we just want to say that the patient is allergic to penicillins as a specific allergen group. We can double click and document that that allergy exists. If we want to document any reactions or severities for that specific allergy, we can go ahead and add another allergy, and then select a severity and type out a reaction. And now we've documented 2 active allergies for this patient. And you will also see that the option for no known allergies is no longer selected. You will need to document an allergy or an indication that no known allergy exists for 80% of the unique patients which you see during your 90-day reporting period.